CADprofi HVAC Piping possesses a rich library of already prepared elements from many well-known manufacturers, including Vaillant, Viessmann, Welo, Reflex, and many more. With CADprofi, we can effortlessly draw lifelike views of pipes and ventilation ducts with automatic fitting insertion. We can intuitively connect our pipes by using a variety of fittings like elbows, bends, T-pieces, or cross pieces. The Quick Edit feature empowers designers to swiftly change the fitting to meet the evolving needs of any project. Parametric design is at our fingertips. With CADprofi HVAC Piping's extensive library of armature and installation objects. The automatic insertion for armature into our pipelines or ventilation systems streamlines our workflow, ensuring a seamless design experience. Insulation is no longer a challenge. With CADprofi HVAC Piping, we can not only draw insulated pipelines, but also add insulation with specified thickness to existing pipelines, ensuring that our project meets all technical requirements. We can visualize our project from every angle with the quick generation of additional views for selected objects and pipes. With CADprofi HVAC Piping, we can quickly prepare a side view of our project. CADprofi provides us with the tools to draw comprehensive sewage layouts, including intricate sequences of pipe sockets, with unparalleled ease. The Join Pipes Ducts command enables the connection of two pipes with the automatic insertion of optimally matched fittings, saving us time and ensuring accuracy. Detailing our designs has never been more straightforward. We can add essential annotations like boiler name, pipe diameter, or DN values with confidence, knowing that CADprofi HVAC Piping will automatically retrieve the correct information from the chosen object or pipe. In just 7 minutes, we managed to prepare a 2-view drawing of a hanging gas boiler with a flue and a connected central heating installation with insulation. Additionally, we managed to draw shut-off armature and condensate drainage to the designed sewage system. On the other hand, working solely with CAD, without the enhanced capabilities of the CADprofi add-on, we only managed to insert the boiler and draw the flue gas duct. This is the CADprofi difference, a monumental leap in productivity and time management. It's not just about the speed, it's about the quality and depth of work we can achieve in the same amount of time. With CADprofi, every second is optimized, propelling us towards a finished drawing that is professionally prepared, utilizing every tool and feature to its fullest potential.